So these are one of the core concept. How do you actually show the derivative of sine inverse x? Okay, how do you do that? Now what you need to do is actually, this case here, you just do implicit differentiation. So you just let y equals to sine inverse x. Alright? Then you sine both sides. Now you cannot differentiate sine inverse, right? That's for sure. So if you want to show this, what you need to do is you just bring the sine over. So this will be sine y equals to x. Then you just differentiate, okay, with respect to x. So you just use the implicit differentiation here. Sine y, this case here, you just be cosine y dy dx equals to 1. Alright? So this is what you do. You essentially use implicit differentiation. If you're told to show this, right, use implicit differentiation. Then after that, what you do is actually dy dx is equals to 1 over cosine y. Now this is where most students will forget what to do. Students will say, how do you change this to you see this? This, because y is sine inverse, this supposedly is d, this is actually d dx sine plus x, right? So the question now is, what is this y here? Cosine y, what is this? Okay, so in other words, what we're going to do is actually just use this one here, the right angle triangle. So from here, what you're going to do is actually just use the right angle triangle here. And try. So this part here, what you're going to do is actually just, this is y, opposite is x, hypotenuse is 1, so this is 1 minus x squared. Okay, so remember, if any kind of trigo ratio you want to change to algebraic, you need the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is how you convert between algebra to trigo ratio and vice versa. So this case here, from this triangle, we know that cosine y is equals to 1 minus x squared over 1. So we're just going to replace this in. So this case here, what we'll get is actually 1 over 1 minus x squared. Is that alright?